Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to delete all your TikTok posts. So first, go and open your TikTok and go to your profile. It will show all your posts here. If you want to delete your post, you can just go and delete it through these three dots. If you click on these three dots, then you will find the delete option. You can delete it from here. So if you have your account and posts from a very long, then you might need another solution. So you can always go and delete your account. Click on this hamburg option in the top right corner and go to settings and privacy. So here, click on account and click on deactivate or delete your account. So after that, you'll need to click on delete account permanently. So if you delete your account, your contents will be deleted permanently, but you can always reactivate by requesting to reactivate your account within the 30 days of your deletion. So click on delete and choose any of these reasons, or you can also skip it and you can follow the on-screen instructions from here. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.